and good afternoon. It's 11:30. I've just left. So after this long quarantine, you guys might be wondering how can I ride my bike in this quarantine. So the answer is actually I'm not in Mumbai. I'm away from Mumbai, and this place is a greener zone, and it's quite easy for people to move. How are you guys? I hope you guys are fine. About being a 90s kid, I was always more attracted towards the two-stroke community rather than the four-stroke, because being a 90s kid, two-stroke was very famous back then. The RX 100, the RX 135, the ID 350, you name it, the Suzuki Samurai. All these bikes were the legends, and still they are. So, talking about the RX 100, 7-port top induction motor, it is one of the best engine ever made. Means it is so light and it is so grunt that it can just make you fall off your ass. Sorry to use that word, but it really does, because the first time I had ridden an RX, I literally was going to fall, but then I managed somehow. So it has so much of torque and so little ponies, that is like 10 to 20, 10 to 14 something, 10 to 14 ponies. The one which we are going to talk about is the RX 135, and it has 10 ponies, but that 10 ponies can slam you in and out. Believe me guys, you need to ride one of those to actually believe it. So actually there's a slight change of plan. सुमित जो है मुझे यहाँ पे नहीं, पीछे मिलने वाला है, तो we are waiting for him over here. He'll be here any minute like. So we'll just wait over here and we'll wait for Sumit. So let him come and then we'll. So here is Sumit. Here Sumit comes, bro. So Sumit, कैसा है भाई? बहुत देर कर दिया आने में. No problem, no problem. So this is Sumit Maan, and he used to custom bikes, and this is what his beast looks like. You can call it as an orange beauty. She's awesome. Yeah. So Sumit, let me guess what have you done, and let me just tell people what all have you done on your bike. Okay. Okay. Thanks. So this is a custom made tank, a custom made seat with a cowl. It's totally custom made. The frame, the chassis is also custom made. As you can see, it has a mono suspension. I guess it is from a RC NS. Okay, it is from NS. A custom air filter. Is it normal or an K&N? उसके बाद में भाई तूने टायर्स ये कौन से डाला है? आई गेस NS के ही है, रिम्स पे से तो लग ही रहा है. Okay, it's 10 inches more than the NS. It has disc brakes on both. The engine is stock, I guess, right? The engine is stock. It's a stock Japanese engine, that is a 4-speed engine. Yeah, it's a 135 making 10 ponies, I guess 10 ponies. So this is all we have, and it's pretty good looking. It's just as good as the cherry on the top of a cake. Okay, so you also have done an underbelly exhaust, but the exhaust seems to be the same as it is on the RX. Okay, so you have customed it, right? So this bike was sitting for a long time, I guess, in one place. So that is why it's a bit dirty, but I guess it's look retro and cool in that same look as it is. So I guess should I take it for a ride? now we are on the Yamaha RX 135 and we are going for a short spin. Hope you are loving the firing of this bike. It's amazing. It's just so scintillating. It's awesome. The bike is so surreal that I have no words to speak for. He has made it so beautifully. He has customed it so well. So riding this beast is very awesome kind of thing. Riding this is cool. The gesture, the posture of the bike is so committed but is so relaxing. It's not like the regular, kind of cafe racer. The look of the bike is like, love it. There is no hate it for this. There are a lot of people. This bike is grabbing a lot of attention. Thank you. So that was the audience, I guess. As he liked the bike, I hope you guys will like the video. Do subscribe my channel and do comment your views on this beast, the RX 135. This is something that you should ride it first. Do share your pictures of if you have an RX, and if it is, even if it is stock, even if it is built. So this is a showroom in Talegaon. If you happen to own any Yamaha, you can visit here. This is Saurabh Dada. He'll help you out. Let's just go and let's return him this beast and get ours back. So if I'm mistaken before, this is actually a 4-speed unit and it's used to be called as the RXG, and the 5-speed used to be called as the RX King because it had more of the BHP. And so as I'm going to return the bike to Sumit again, I'll just stop talking and just hear the sound of this beast. The exhaust is still, he has just changed the position of the exhaust. So it is underbelly exhaust now, as of like Duke. Another RX, again tastefully modified, but not as this is modified. Let's start the bike first. Coming back to my bike feels so relaxing because the position of riding in this bike, it's so comfortable. You can go anywhere you want on this bike. सो होप आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा होगा, राइड अच्छी लगी होगी. यू कैन जस्ट थिंक इट ऑफ योर ओन. जो भी अच्छा लगा है उसके लिए लाइक तो ठोक ही देना. सब्सक्राइब भी चैनल को ज़रूर से कर देना एंड कमेंट करना. जस्ट लिसन टू द पॉप्स नाउ.